In this video, we'll show you how to fix audio messages not working on your iPhone. Start by opening the Messages app. If you're trying to send an audio message, tap the plus sign next to the text field, then tap Audio to start recording. When you're done, hit the pause button and then tap Send. It should automatically send the message and also transcribe it. But if it's not working or nothing happens when you tap it, let's try a few troubleshooting steps. The first thing you can do is go into your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then find and tap on Messages. From here, toggle off iMessage, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This will reactivate iMessage, and since audio messages can only be sent through iMessage, it should help fix the issue. Just remember that if the other person has an Android phone and you see a green bubble, audio messages won't work. Next, let's go back to the main settings screen. Scroll up and tap on Accessibility, then scroll down to Sound Recognition. Sometimes, this feature can interfere with audio messages, as it listens for other sounds. If you don't need it, turn it off. Now, let's move on to updating your iPhone. Go to General and tap Software Update to make sure you're running the latest iOS version. Updating your system often fixes bugs, including issues with audio messages. If the problem still persists, the next step is to reset your settings. Go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or messages, but it will reset all settings to their factory defaults, which can often resolve issues. Lastly, try restarting your phone. Just turn it off, wait a few moments, then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear up any bugs or glitches that may be causing the problem. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.